Yabba dabba YouTube, what's up boys and girls, it's your boy Zockstar once again coming at you with another vlog. If you are the type of person who has multiple devices like these to charge most of your electronic devices, then I'm going to show you what you need to do with these right now. Damn. Anyway, on today's vlog, I'm going to show you the best way to charge your batteries. So without any further ado, let's Scooby-Doo. And we're back. So boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, today I have the Anker 5-port 3.0 powered USB charger. This thing packs a punch 5 times. So if you have multiple battery chargers like the GoPro dual charger for the Hero 5, the dual battery charger for the Hero 4 black, I have the Sony RX100 Mark VI. I have this triple charger that needs a lot of power because there's 3 batteries to charge, and numerous other devices, cell phones. I've got a couple of other little USB powered battery devices that needs a decent source of power to charge them quickly, and this thing, my friends, will do the job. I'm yet to see it. I've been told about it, and I'm going to do a review once I've finished the unboxing, so please stay tuned. It might be in another video. So yeah, there you have it. So let's get down and dirty and rip this box open. So here we have the box. Let's cut it open. Where are we? There we go. Okay, there it is there. That's the power cord with the Australian plug. And that's it. Okay. Welcome guide. Not happy. Okay. So as you can see, there's no USB cable whatsoever. Just the charger and the power cable. Okay. So there's the two. These are the two USB 3 IQ ports, and these are just the standard IQ ports. So there you have it. I did notice so that's just the strap, I guess, for the power cable. But I did notice on other videos it came with a little sticky rubbery thing that kept it from sliding around on the table. This doesn't have one. Bit of a shame. So there it is, folks. This thing is going to charge my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 GoPro batteries and 3 Sony RX100 batteries. So if we plug this in, okay, there's the blue lights turned on and it's ready to go. I guess doesn't really sit straight, but there we have it. I'm going to see how well it charges these GoPro batteries compared to the standard charge times using the old bricks. These ones, I already know the times of these, so I'll put them up in the next video just so you guys can compare and see the difference between this one and the old one. And we're back up top now. So there you have it, folks, the Anker PowerPort 5. Anker claims it will charge the Galaxy S7, the S6, the Edge, the Plus, the Note 5 and 4, the Power IQ for iPhone 7, 6s Plus, iPad Pro, Air 2, Mini, LG Nexus, HTC and more. So this thing's top of the range. Quick charge, 3.0, 63 watt, 5 port USB wall charger. That's what they're calling it. It's not a wall charger, you can't plug it into the wall. It's a desktop charger. Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 combines with Anker's proprietary Power IQ and voltage boost to deliver the fastest possible charge to almost any USB device. This thing sounds awesome. I paid $60 for it off eBay. I guess if you're in the States, America, probably going to cost you $25-30. Either way, bargain. Decent charger. I'm yet to see anything else that sort of, matches this one for the price. The color and build, believe it only comes in black. The build, beautiful. Beautiful lines, beautiful curves. The finish is immaculate, no sharp edges. Really nice. Well done, Anker. Accessories, all it comes with is the power cord. AC power cord, and being in Australia, it did come with the Australian cord, which tells me it wasn't a Chinese brand or an import or anything like that, so happy with that. Accessories, like I said, nothing, just a power cord, no USB cables, no nothing. Other YouTube videos have it with a little rubber, what do you call it, little rectangular rubber piece that sort of sticks on the bottom that stops it from sliding around on the table. As you can see, it's quite slippery little bugger, but I'll sort that out. I'll put my own little rubber sticky thing on the bottom to keep it firm, and there it is. If you like what you see, give me a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. If you are subscribed, make sure that bell button is smashed. That way you get to see my next videos when I upload them. So once again, thanks guys for watching. Until next time, peace out.